this industry, it is vital to stay up to date with what is going on, from the experimental to the industrial.
The field embedded systems is moving so quickly.
This field changes so fast. If you're not always learning new things, you'll be a dinosaur by the time you're 30.
Tons of new technologies are coming about in the embedded space. Technology evolves continuously. We have to continue to evolve and learn as well.
Not just professionally, but I think for our own sanity, it's nice to pick up totally new skills.
Anybody in the field should look for more information and to widen their horizon.
As an engineer, you never stop learning. And there's no way like learning than listening to other people who've got something interesting to say.
The best embedded engineers are the ones who are always learning new things.
The whole idea behind the conference is to develop a very high quality technical set of talks from experts around the world.
It's the ability to have all of these wonderful in-depth, super informative talks.
And being able to have these online conferences like the Embedded Online Conference is a great way of sharing knowledge and helping us to advance the technology and the state of the art.
You get a real good batch of speakers who are very expert at different things.
And the speaker lineup, I mean, is amazing. There's some of the most smartest embedded people in the industry.
Like-minded engineers are sharing knowledge and experiences.
You get to learn from their mistakes and their wisdom, their lessons learned. And that's really a lot easier than having to learn the hard way yourself.
Only way we all grow is by sharing ideas. And as I keep saying to people, we all go further when we work together.
Hopefully you'll have a good time enjoying the Embedded Online Conference, and I'll hope to see you there.
I'm all in favor.